Today I'll teach you how to use input type equal to file to accept Word documents in HTML. So let's start. First I'm adding an HTML input element, and then I'm setting the type attribute as file. Now I'm adding the attribute accept. The accept attribute accepts one or more than one file extension, and the extensions are separated using a comma. For example, if you want to accept Word documents, then you can specify the extension as doc, docx. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, the choose file dialog box is allowing only files of the specified type, that is Word documents, to be accepted, while other files cannot be accepted for upload. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.